So welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Mysore Pak, a very authentic dessert recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a pan, add 1 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of water. Mix it well until the sugar is completely dissolved and we get a single string consistency. Now we have the proper single string consistency. So at this stage, start adding 1 cup of gram flour little at a time and mix it well. Make sure no lumps are formed. Now we have a smooth paste. At this stage, start adding 1 scoop of hot oil at a time and mix it well. Keep ready about 2 cups of hot oil. Continue to mix until the oil is completely absorbed. Now the oil is completely absorbed, so let's go with the second scoop of hot oil. Mix it well. Now the oil is completely absorbed, so let's go with the third scoop of hot oil. Mix it well. Now the oil is no more absorbed, so this is the perfect stage. So off the flame and transfer the content to a ever silver plate. Level it using a spoon. Let this sit for 5 minutes. Then make cuts. Again, let this sit for 15 more minutes until the Mysore Pak is nice and hard. Very delicious dessert recipe is now ready. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.